Today, I'm going to show you how you can make more money on YouTube that doesn't require monetization. It's the easiest way to give your channel a huge income boost, and the best part is that you don't have to sell anything. Let's do this. Hey, it's Leah Ray from digitaltrailblazer.com. Welcome to our channel. If you want to use YouTube to increase your brand awareness, to drive traffic, to convert sales in your business, then you are in the right place. Now, most people think that if you want to make money online, you have to sell a product or service, which comes with all the headaches of product development, inventory, customer service, payment processing, and more. But the good news is that you can actually make money without having to deal with any of that. And the opportunities to do this are virtually unlimited. So I'm going to share with you exactly what this is, how it works, and the different ways that you can do it. Then, at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can get 10 to even 15 times more revenue than most people who are doing the exact same thing. So how does this work? Well, imagine you're doing a video that's a makeup tutorial. Makeup tutorials are incredibly popular. Obviously, one of the questions that people have when they're watching your video is, what makeup are you using? Instead of just giving the people the name of the product and telling them where to buy it, you can actually go to the store's website, for example, Ulta, and you can sign up as an affiliate. When you do this, they're going to give you special links that you can use to refer people to their website. Just put those links in the description of your video. They go directly to the product you're talking about. And then when people click on those links, you earn anywhere from 2% of the sale on the very low end, all the way up to 7 to 10% of the sale on the very high end. And practically every store on the internet does this. There are very few that don't. Amazon, Walmart, Bass Pro, Chewy.com, the list goes on and on. This is called affiliate marketing. And the best part of this is that you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to do any customer service. It's literally the easiest way to make money online. And you can do it with products and services that you already love and use. So you don't have to even be pitchy or salesy when you do it. Now, maybe you're thinking, well, I don't do how-to videos or tutorials. Well, you don't need to do how-to videos or tutorials. You can do this with practically any type of video. For example, you can do review and unboxing videos. If you're doing a movie review, you can sign up as an affiliate with Fandango and just refer people to purchase their tickets through your link. If you're reviewing a product, you can become an Amazon affiliate. If you do exercise and fitness, maybe bodybuilding.com has an affiliate program that you can join. Now, like I said, you don't even need a huge channel to do this. A friend of ours, Tom DeSico, who does a lot of tech review videos, he's doing a great job at this. Now, at the point of this recording, his channel is pretty small. It's just over 1,000 subscribers, but he's still able to bring in some solid extra cash. He brought in over $300 in affiliate commissions by referring people to purchase the link provided through the description of his video. Now, one important thing that you really need to be aware of, especially with review videos, but really with any video that you offer your affiliate link, is that according to the FTC, you need to inform your viewers that it's an affiliate link. So you should simply try to say it in the video, but you should also note it in the description of your video along with the link so that you stay in compliance. You can check out the very bottom of this description of this video of our wording and how we do it. But basically, we have this defaulted into every description of every video that we make, just to be safe. Now, another type of video that works really well with affiliate marketing is an unboxing video. Now, you've probably sat through a few of these yourself, but basically, if you're interested in purchasing a specific product, it's great to actually see what it looks like coming out of the box to help you make an informed purchase. Now, a friend of ours, Brad, over at A Geeky Guide channel, is crushing this. He loves to do unboxing videos for a dog box subscription that they send you treats and different things for your dog. Now, not only has he been comped for this service for years worth of products, but he offers this as an affiliate link for people who are interested in also ordering the subscription. Now, the best part of this is that with only a small channel at the time of this recording, just about 3,000 subscribers, as an affiliate for one of these dog subscription companies that he works with, he's made about $16,000 in just a 6-month time frame. Dang. Now, the third type of video is a tutorial or a how-to video. This is where you're teaching people how to do something, like how to fix drywall or how to cook chili or whatever. Now, you're obviously needing tools to do these things. So if you're fixing drywall, you might need a specific joint knife or sanding sponge that you're using in the video. Grab an affiliate link from Home Depot and drop that in the description of your video. If you're doing a recipe, you might be using silicone utensils that are safe for nonstick pans, and you might be using a specific brand of spices sign up as an Amazon affiliate and put the links to those items in the description of your video. So what does this look like? Well, here's an example of a video where we teach people about how to use a tool to automate their Instagram growth. It's a basic tutorial or a how-to video. Now in the description, you'll notice that we have a link to the tool that we are teaching with. Now this is definitely not a main income stream for us, but we've made several thousands of dollars as affiliates from teaching people how to use this software. Now let's say you do videos that don't really fit into any of these categories. So another way to do affiliate marketing is to simply by doing a quick mention of a product that you're using in your video. For example, if you're doing a video about taking your family on a trip to Florida, you may want to mention the sunscreen that you use or some sunglasses that you bought or beach towels or anything else you may have used during your trip. Now you don't have to be salesy about it, but you can say, so I have to admit this trip has been amazing so far and I'm super excited because we're going to be going on a dinner cruise tonight out in the ocean. So I have to share with you what I'm pumped about because these glasses are polarized, so they're super cheap. They're like $20, which is great because I lose glasses or drop them and scratch them continually. So I don't want to spend a lot on glasses, but I do want them polarized and I want them to look decent on my face. So if you want to check out some cheap but shapely and polarized glasses, I'll make sure that I share the link down in the description. Simply sharing what you're using and why they might want it. Now here are some super important tips when it comes to making the most money with affiliate offers and something that we do that helps us make 10 to 15 times more money than most other people who are doing affiliate marketing. Now when you refer people to a physical product, say with the Amazon affiliate program, you typically only make about 2 to 7% of the sales price. So if a customer spends $100, you make about $4 average. Now compare that to a digital product. That could be a software program, a software service, or a digital training course. These types of affiliate programs, because there's no physical product to manufacture, much lower overhead, they can pay you between 30 to 50% on a sale, and sometimes even more. So $30 to $50 on a $100 product, that adds up much faster. Plus, with physical products, you typically only get about a 24-hour window to get credit for the sale. So if someone clicks on your affiliate link, you only get credit for their purchase if they make it within 24 hours of clicking on your link. Now with a subscription-based software service, you'll get 30% to 50% of every single payment that they make, month after month after month. So for example, with the email marketing system that we use and that we recommend, we refer a customer to them and we get 30% of every single monthly payment that that customer makes for the rest of their life. Now, ClickFunnels is a lead generation and funnel building software service that we use and we recommend. And that one pays 40%. But it's with offers like these that we're able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, even if we don't have a really big YouTube channel. So if you really want to learn how to find the right offers and to set up a successful business, we've included a link at the top of the description for a training that we're doing where we walk you through exactly how to set up a stable and profitable online business. So click that link to get registered for upcoming training. Now, if you're ready to learn all 5 ways that you can earn money on YouTube with just a small channel, make sure that you watch this video next. It's the upper right corner of your screen and within the description. I'll see you soon.